guys, it's Dice here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Is that right? Yeah, I'm gonna change up my intro. I think I'm just gonna say, hey, it's Dice here, welcome to my channel. Or just like, hey, it's Dice here. I don't know, because I always mess up, and plus like it's me, like it feels like me, but like sometimes it doesn't really feel like me. Anyways, in today's video we are going to be doing a Pinterest chooses my makeup or a Pinterest makeup challenge. So this had to have been done before. I know for a fact it probably was, and plus I watch a lot of like drawing art videos. So I watch Drawing with Waffles, I think that's what her name is. I get confused sometimes. And I know that she for sure did this, but like I said, I haven't seen any makeup style ones. Like I said, I'm sure 100,000% that it's been done, just because it's a very cool idea, and like if it was in the art, some type of art side of YouTube, then it was probably in the makeup side of YouTube. It says Google or Pinterest, but I was like, Google is one thing, but like Pinterest is another. Like I use Pinterest for everything, and also like I feel like it's more modern a little bit, and it's more like to your style. Google is like for old people, not for old people because everybody uses Google, but like I feel like Pinterest is just more of like for the arts, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to be basically Pinteresting, like, so I'll give you guys an example. So I'll Pinterest, I haven't done my eyebrows yet, as you can see. So I'll do like eyebrows. I'm trying to debate if I want to do like eyebrow styles or just makeup eyebrows or eyebrows, whatever. I'll figure it out. I know there's a lot of like product ads sometimes on Pinterest, but I'll show you guys my screen and everything. And I'll scroll until I see the first picture of like somebody's eyebrows, or like an eyebrow pictorial or something like that, just the first thing that like that isn't a product or whatever, and then I'll do my eyebrows that way. So like I'll do that with eyeshadow, foundation. That might be a little bit hard, but like if it's like natural for full coverage. And then I'll also like do eyeshadow, and that'll be the style, but I'll also do like color or something like that, and that'll be the color, and then I'll do like all that good stuff. If that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. Y'all know me, I'm bad at explaining. I just be talking. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. By the way, guys, sorry, I mean literally no one is checking for me. I say this all the time, but sorry that this video is a day late. I haven't been feeling my best. I haven't been my best self. Ew. I haven't been feeling my best, so I was really tired and stuff yesterday, which is Monday. I film and edit. Okay, so sometimes I will be able to like film and stuff a few days before and edit a few days before, or film a few days before and then edit on the day that I'm supposed to post, and then post and all that good stuff. But sometimes I don't, because like I just whatever. Sometimes I don't do that, so I film and edit and post all the same day. Yesterday I was just having not a good day, so I didn't. But yeah, this is a day late. Not that literally anybody cares, but I'm gonna look up eyebrows, right? Okay. So there's this like what is brow mapping thing, but I'm just gonna go to the first pictorial, which is like this one. It's in a different language, so I can't read it to you guys, but as you can see on the screen, it's basically just like a very sharp full eyebrow. So I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows. I'll follow this pictorial, like I don't really care. So let's follow the pictorial. So first, you guys seen it on the screen, but let me stop screen recording now. Okay, so I'm just gonna have my brow and this says the first step is to draw under the brow. And then extend the line to the front. And then it says to do the top, but not all the way to the front of the brow. And then fill in the back, I mean the end. And then I'm assuming brush it out because it just looked more blended. And then move that. And then it just says to like, so basically this is how I regularly do my eyebrows. I could have done my eyebrows off camera, save a little bit of time, but you know what, that's not the point of this video. Okay, period. Let me do my other one and then we'll come and do eyeshadow. Guys, I put this on Facebook, so if you are friends with me on Facebook, you can ignore me. But can we talk about WandaVision? Literally, like, easily. Oh, I moved my eyebrow up and messed up. Easily one of the best shows out right now. Like, it's so good. I love Wanda so much. Like, there's this meme that said like crazy Wanda, and then like lovable Wanda, and it was like from the scene from The Office when he's like, I love you guys so much. That's me, because I love like everything about her crazy mean side. And she was like, this is your last warning, leave me and mine alone and we'll have no problems. I was like, period. She was like, look, let me tell y'all something. Y'all gonna bring out this Scarlet Witch. She said, I didn't want her to be here, but y'all gonna bring her out. She said, don't play with me. This video is gonna be so long, like, just because I'm literally talking nonsense about it. I want to do a series. I already have like ones that I have like I already have TV shows and movies that are my fave that I want to talk about. I don't know if I want to do my makeup while I'm doing it or just talk about my favorite ones. I love, if you know me, I mean, not many people know me because social anxiety, but like family members and stuff, like sisters, literally just my sisters. But if you know me, you know I love, because I want to be an actress, so I love like film and like the art behind acting and just like movies and film and stuff. I mean, not like the making. I mean, I can talk about like if someone's a film major, I can talk about it. Like I would be really interested to listen, but obviously I'm not a film major, so I can't like say stuff that's correct back. But I like listening to that stuff as well. But just like talking about movies and TV shows is like my favorite pastime ever. So I think I'm gonna do a series. Like I said, I don't know. I mean, I have another series that I want to do in mind that I don't think I want to say yet, just in case. Like, I just want to wait until I can build up the courage to do it. But it has a really cool name. I don't know if I want to talk about it there, or if I just want to do a whole video talking about my favorite TV shows and movies, and then people can like join in, or if I want to do like a live. Like, I don't know, I just love talking about movies and TV shows. Okay, eyebrows are done. Now let me prime my eyes before I like do anything else, just because that's like not something that I need to look up. So I just decided to do a little zoomy zoom just because we're onto the eyeshadow. Sometimes when I'm watching a video, I make a video and someone's doing the eyeshadow, you want it to be a little bit more close up. So yeah. So now I think first I'm gonna look up color before I look up eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna look up, literally the first color that comes up is like tan. Okay, we're gonna do next. Okay, we're gonna do like this bluish green. I hope you guys don't think that I'm cheating, but literally this right here has several colors. So I'm like, what? And then that's just like a brown. And then this is the next straight color. So we're gonna do like a bluish, greenish. I mean, y'all see it. Now, let's do eyeshadow. Listen, guys, I know how to spell, okay? Sometimes when I'm texting, I just text too fast. Ooh, this is like the first picture that comes up. But this is like a graphic liner. Should we do that? Or should we look for actual eyeshadow? Okay, I'm gonna look for actual eyeshadow. Okay, guys, I'm not cheating, but that's a video. That's graphic liner. We're gonna do this one. This is the one that we're gonna do because this is the only, this is a picture. So we're gonna do this, and we're gonna do, I need to go back to color. Let's see what color we're doing. This color. Okay, should we do other colors? Okay, so we're gonna do that in yellow because those are the two colors that I have right there. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna try to match this color, but like I said, it's literally gonna be impossible. I have so many TikToks stuck in my head, like oopsie, oopsie, not again. Oh my god, that is I have so many TikToks stuck in my head. I mean, that's not, it's from a TikTok, but I don't think originally it's from a TikTok, but whatever. Okay, So we're gonna take the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette, and I'm gonna take the green row. It doesn't look like it matches the picture that much, but this is the closest I can do. And it does match a little bit. So we're gonna take like these ones, and then we're gonna blend out with yellow because those are the two colors that we're supposed to be using. And we're going to be doing this little half cut crease liner thing. I'm gonna start off with the third color in the row, and we're gonna stamp it into our crease. This looks more like bright green on the thing than it does in real life. Okay, I'm gonna take the first yellow in the palette real quickly. Not quickly, but to say, and just start blending that out because those are the two colors that we got from Pinterest. I'm gonna add it to the challenge. Not add to the challenge, it won't be more challenging, but when you pick a color, you can use any variation of that color, because in this picture of the eyeshadow look, it's pretty dark, so I need to darken this up. So obviously I'm gonna take darker greens or whatever. So that's what I mean by variations. I was making a TikTok about this look, and I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to because this is not cute. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of black into the crease just to darken it up. Not me looking like a parrot. So now we're gonna hit them with a half cut crease. So just like the picture, I'm gonna like blend it out kind of on a slant. So yeah, basically I'm just following what the picture looks like. That's the point. That's the point. It's a fight. Oh my gosh. Okay. And now to be able to like do like a liner with eyeshadow like the picture, I'm just gonna take a liner brush on some, I always say like the brush first on some. I'm gonna take some concealer on an eyeliner brush and just do a wing and then put the eyeshadow down. Okay, now let me do the other eye, then we'll move on to like lips and stuff. I don't really know what else. Yeah, I'm excited because I feel like if I do lips, it's gonna be like a completely different color from this and we might look a little crazy. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I did, I always say okay, so I did I did my foundation off camera. I put on some lashes in my under eye. Basically this is what it looks like. I feel like it looks pretty similar to the reference picture. I feel cringe because it's green. It's like it's not green season, you know what I mean? I mean colors aren't, colors are specific seasons, like, you know, if you see like red and green Christmas, if you see like yellow summer, like green isn't really a color right now, but it's whatever. We're gonna do lips. So I'm trying to think what I should look up. Should I look up like, because if I look up lipstick is gonna come up. If I look up lip gloss is gonna come up. So should I look up like makeup lips? Let's see what makeup lips. Let's see what comes up. Okay, let's do lips. We know we want to do lipstick, right? So let's just do lipstick. So there's like this nude. So, well, that's an ad. Okay, so let's try to find one that's not an ad. Okay, you know what? Everything that's like coming up is like a matte, but kind of like a more burgundy type matte. So let me see if I can find some like matte burgundy type shades. I got this ColourPop one, which is like very similar to what's coming up. Okay, so first I'm gonna just line my lips with this random lip liner. Not bad. I mean, with this eye, it looks crazy. So I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer in the middle. That's kind of what I do, like usually for like an ombre type lip. And a lot of these lips are kind of like ombre in a way. Ow. This is the finished look, and if you're thinking this lip does not go with this eye, I was thinking the same thing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like I only did eyebrows, eyeshadow, and lips, because everything else, like foundation, isn't really something that like can differ. I mean, you can do like full coverage and like non-full coverage, whatever. But it's very hard to pinpoint that on Pinterest, so I would literally have to look up like full coverage makeup or like BB cream or whatever like that to see those types of foundation. Like when I looked up foundation, pages and pages of like ads came up, and I was like that's just not what I was going for. This is what it's looking like. I mean, it looks crazy because literally green eyeshadow and like mauve type, burgundy type lips, but this is what Pinterest chose for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting, you can follow me on my social medias, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, all that good stuff will be linked down below. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.